Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you today about OpenStax. This is an online resource for students, teachers, and school districts. For me personally, I teach science, so this is potentially very useful for me and my students. If you look as far as the resources that they have, these are basically just online textbooks. You can get them just like we have right here, which is just a web-based version, or they also have an app. It's a little bit cleaner, a little bit more user-friendly. Just to show you a little quick demonstration, one class I teach, anatomy and physiology, can use this resource. Have students download or just get onto the app and look one chapter at a time. Depending on what chapter we're in. You can look around as a teacher. There's a lot of different resources, PowerPoint slides. You can see down here, assessment banks, instructor solution guides to questions that are in the textbook, stuff like that. And then for students, there's a lot of resources as well. Getting the solutions for some of the questions and problems that are in the book. Learning how to pronounce certain words after downloading and looking at it. You can see there's just an incredible list of terms that look like they could be hard to pronounce, so this is a very helpful little guide for those students. And then another one is linked to Anatomy Zone. Students can get on, click, as long as they have some kind of device that has a browser. It just gives them questions to help them understand, flashcards, tutorial videos, just anything that can help ingrain the information that we talk about in class. But if it's not me teaching them during class, it can be used as a resource outside of class. So if you want to flip classes, this is a great way to do it. And even if you don't, it's just a great resource for students and teachers both to use for science and math classes primarily, but they're coming out with more and more, so just be checking for updates if you teach other things. But for science and math, it's a great resource, excellent resource for students and teachers and school districts to save money because it is free, and also just an incredible amount of resources behind it as far as to help students and really help them grasp the information talked about in these classes. So excellent resource, highly recommend it, and yeah, good luck.